कि भैया वो ऑर्डर लिख लीजिए जरा होम डिलीवरी के लिए। हाँ, 2 बटर नान, 1 बटर चिकन और हाँ सैलेड सैलेड और रायता साथ में। हाँ हाँ, खाना ऑर्डर लिख लीजिए जरा, वो भिजवा दीजिएगा घर पे। हाँ तो बटर नान, 1 पनीर, नहीं वही अपना मटर पनीर रेगुलर इवन वाला। हाँ और 1 वेज बिरयानी। बस बस बस, नहीं रायता तो आप साथ में ही देते हैं ना। थैंक यू।
ओए पैंचो, तू हिलेगा नहीं वहां से। तू आज नहीं, तू कल मिल मेरे को। आज नहीं, आज ऑड है, कल इवन है। तू कल मिल मेरे को, मैं अपनी गड्डी लेके कल आऊंगा तेरे घर मारने तेरे को साले। कल मिल तू मेरे को।
ठीक है भाई, कल बोल दिया था, अब कितने बार सॉरी बोलूं। अरे ठीक है यार, विस्की में था, थोड़ी ज्यादा चढ़ गई थी, समझ ले। आज वोडका है। आजा, हाँ तू आजा, इधर आजा, आज मिलते हैं, बैठते हैं और क्या मजे करेंगे। चल ठीक है। हाँ कितनी देर में आ रहा है? हाँ चल आजा। हाँ सुन, चखना ले आइयो और चिप्स भी ले आइयो। हाँ चल ठीक है, चल बाय।
सुनो ना, आज ना वैसी वाली बातें करते हैं। अरे आज कयामत की रात है। अरे वैसी वाली ना। अरे नहीं, आज तो ऑड है।
हाँ मम्मा। हाँ मम्मा, जय श्री कृष्णा। हाँ मम्मा, जस्ट खा लिया ना खाना अभी अभी। हाँ बस जा रहा था सोने। नहीं नहीं, काम था मम्मा बहुत, ऑफिस में बहुत थक गया मैं। नहीं नहीं मम्मा, ठीक है, बाकी सब तो बढ़िया है। हाँ हाँ, पैसे नहीं चाहिए। अच्छा आपको चाहिए? कितने चाहिए?
Faking of travel and accommodation bills in office is very common. Everybody does it. So does our beloved politicians. A lawmaker from Nitish Kumar's party, Anil Sahni, is facing prosecution allegedly for claiming faking of air tickets and claiming the allowances from the parliament. He has forged an e-ticket and boarding pass for approximately rupees 23 lakhs and claimed the same amount. A CBI inquiry has set against him by Vice President Hamid Ansari for this corruption case of rupees 23 lakhs. Quite a cheap amount, isn't it? Come on sir, what is this? Be a great politician, you can do better. Set a good example. Shame on you. Inspiring from Kabir Khan's Ek Tha Tiger, 3 agents of Indian External Spy Agency Research and Analysis Wing, commonly known as RAW, have gone missing or willingly disappeared. I hope there is no someone like Katrina this time, just like in the movie. Officials say that they have enough of intel which can be compromised. But after this info, I came to know that Kabir Khan's Ek Tha Tiger was a real futuristic movie. Kudos to Kabir Khan. Central will soon issue the executive order to raise the minimum wage up to rupees 10,000 per month for the labor. So I guess after listening to this news, many call center and entry-level software company employees will leave their job and join this labor group. Just like MNC employees have joined the Ola and Uber group of drivers just to earn more money. Because at last, it's money which matters. A heartbreaking news for boys in Bangalore. A proposed all-women tech park 40 km from south of Bangalore is about to start by November this year. The park, which has proposed investment of 135 crore rupees, is very first in this segment. Spread over 300 acres of government allotted land, the park will provide opportunity to 2,800 persons, exclusively women. The park is about to clock another first as it is being designed by the women architect and construction will also be taken care by the women contractors. Well, no further comments. Now most of us might know that Indian Railway is working on dedicated freight corridor. But few of us may know that these corridors are being monitored by drones. A drone is in use to ascertain the progress of 42-kilometer long stretch between Baghegar to Sri Madhupur in Rajasthan in Western DFC and a 56-kilometer long line in Durgavati to Sasaram in Bihar. As per the standard of Indian media, we may soon hear the news that a UFO has been sighted in villages and forests of Rajasthan and Bihar, which may turn out to be a drone. Giving tough competitions to FMCG, Baba Ramdev's Patanjali is all set to generate more employment. Seeing the progress in Ayurveda and Yoga, Baba Ramdev is about to hire many new recruits, so do other companies like Dabur. Well, if you hold a BAMS degree, then don't hesitate, go and post your degree on Naukri.com ASAP. At least I get the job offer from there. I see. Indian Institute of Science is always known for its incredible academics. Now they are setting another trend by coming up with a methanization plant which will convert green waste into biogas. Now see, if every house will have this kind of a plant, we won't be having any waste and garbage in the society. I hope this will help the society in betterment. It's all about app now, so the government realizes it. Hyderabad Transport Authority is coming up with an M-Wallet app which will store all the data of driver license, vehicle registration and the insurance. So people can travel hassle-free. Now on the one side, this initiative will help 80 lakh commuters across Hyderabad. There will be few policemen which may not find it suitable as they might love the 50 and 100 rupees note so much that this could hurt their income. So these are the facts and the news which I found important were not the part of news or the mainstream. There were many things which I may also have not, but that is all from my side. I hope you will like the video, you will subscribe it, you will share it. For any kind of feedback and